Hi y'all, welcome to my channel. Today is a Trendsend day. And this is a big box. It's spring, and so I'm a little surprised it's such a big box. Although Trendsend does send you more items than like Stitch Fix does. I will have all the information down below in the description box as far as how it all works and what the discounts are and all that. But if you use my code, I'll have a link down below, and if you use that for your first box, you'll get 20% off your total purchase. I'll get 20% off my next box. If you buy with Trendsend, if you buy 5 or more items, you get 10% off your total purchase. There is a $20 styling fee, which will be applied to whatever you buy. So, styled for me by Hunter, so I still have Hunter. Let's see, I've got 2 bundles. So this is the Ruth structured sweatshirt. Okay. And it does have this kind of structured front. I love the color. I really like this. I hope it works. We will see. Next are the Stella boot. Oh, Stella boot cut. It's cut from the cloth, optic white, size 6. And I love cut from the cloth. Not sure I've tried these particular ones on. I feel like I've tried every version of every brand of every jean there is. I do love cut from the cloth. We'll see about that. And then this is the Mora striped twist front tee by Evereve, blue and white, size small. Okay, this is pretty cute. Very springy. So we've gone from a sweatshirt, really cute sweatshirt, to a pretty cute top. I'm not a huge fan of these sleeves, but we will see if I like them on. And then it does have a cute little tie front. So, okay, there are 2 outfits. This is Z Supply. Oh, this is cute. This very thin, but very cute t-shirt, Good Vibes. And this is Good Vibes tee by Z Supply, dark heather gray, size small. This is cute. Very cute. Very soft, very light. Sanctuary. These are the Rebel Pant by Sanctuary in hiker green, size 28. Oh, cute. Oh gosh, I'm in trouble. These are cute. They've got pockets. I've got the gathered hem. These are very cute. Sanctuary. Like cargo pants. And then last, oh, this is cute. This is the Cut from the Cloth Julia denim jacket by Cut from the Cloth in Electrify, size small. Oh, super cute. I do have this is very heavy. I do have a denim jacket in this wash. So this would I probably would not keep this, but it sure is cute. And I do like the distressing, which is super cute. How long do we think this distressing is going to stay on trend, or is this box? Let me go try these on and see what we think. I'm kind of excited about a couple of things. So I'll be right back. Trendsend does not ever give me prices, and so I need to look on their site. But we will start with the Ruth's structured sweatshirt in purple orchid, size small by Evereve, $62.40. I think it's really cute. I did just get from, I do believe, Evereve, maybe, the one with a sweatshirt that's a little bit redder than this. It's got the puffy sleeves. It's very similar to this. I think this is super cute. I might might, if I were going to keep this, get something a little, one size like a medium. I also got the taped sweatshirt not too long ago from Trendsend that I did exchange from a small to a medium. I haven't even ever worn it. So I do have those two. So they're onto the fact that I like sweatshirts and I like different kind of sweatshirts, but they're too similar. And so I probably will not keep this, but I do think $62.40 is a good price. It's apparently somebody used my code. Thank you very much. It's down from $78 to $62.40. These are the Stella boot cut in optic white, size 6, cut from the cloth, $75.20. I love them. And I just kept my little sneakers on that don't look so white up to this optic white, but I really, really like these. But they fit perfectly. They're very comfortable. They're high rise, which I love. Love them. Absolutely love them. I will be back with a different, oh, I've got a sticker stuck to my hand from the pocket number 25. I will be back with the next top. So, be right back. Dreary day today and it's getting dark. I'm losing my light, so I know my light is terrible, so I need to hurry. This is the Mora striped twist front tee in blue and white, size small, by Evereve, $46.40. I think it's cute. I like it. I like it more than I thought I would. I think it would really be cute with shorts or capris. Might not wear it with these, or at least not with these. Maybe with some platform sandals. Would be cute with these. Cut from the cloth pants, but I don't like the sleeves. I didn't think I would like the sleeves, but I actually do. Super cute, not a bad price. I will be back with the last 3 pieces. Be right back. Okay, let's start with the Julia denim jacket in Electrify, size small, cut from the cloth, $87.20. I think it's super cute. It's a little tight on me. It's very stretchy, but it's tight. I don't really need another denim jacket. This, like I said, I have every color practically now, but I have this $87.20. I do like it. Let me show you the rest of this. This is the Rebel pant in hiker green, size 28 by Sanctuary, $79.20, and then the t-shirt is the Good Vibes tee, dark heather gray by Z Supply, $38.40. Let me show you these. Really cute, really cute. This is a really good box, like really good. These pants are a little too big for me. The waist is too big. I think they're really cute, really cute. I might see if I could get them in a 27. I wish I could get them before I went on a trip. But so cute, like I love them. The t-shirt I think is really cute too. I like it. It's not super long. There it is. But I think it's cute. It's very soft, feels really good. Good vibes. This, hold on. I love the cut from the cloth jeans. I really like the first top, which I can't remember what it was. Oh, the sweatshirt I liked, but I don't need that. I think it's really cute, but I don't need that. I told y'all. I like the blue and white striped shirt, especially for a trip that we're going on. Love this. Love these Rebel pants. Might see if I can get them in a smaller size, and I like this t-shirt. So, oh, it's keep 4 or more, and I said 5. So there are 4 things that I would like to keep. Save 10%. So I'm going to go back over the prices really quick. This is $38.40. The jacket is $87.20. These pants are $79.20. Super cute. The cut from the cloth, $75.20. The sweatshirt, $62.40. And this is, no, the striped shirt is $46.40. So let me know what y'all think. I like this really was one of my better. I think Trendsend has great stuff. I love it. I went into an Evereve shop a couple of weeks ago. I was in South Lake, and I went to the one I think that's the one where my things come from. And they had so many cute sundresses and all kinds of things, but man, that store is expensive. But beautiful things. Love this box. Love those 4 things. Let me know what y'all think. That's where I'm leaning. If I can get, especially if I can get, I'd probably keep these over the cut from the cloth jeans if I were to have to decide. But I do think I need to get them in a size smaller. Let me know what you think. Thanks so much, y'all, for watching. I will see you next time. Bye, y'all.